Hey everyone, we're doing some remodeling in my house, and so I bought some tools that I kind of need. This one is a Porter 11-piece oscillating multi-tool kit, and here's the thing it's up. It's the oscillating saw. I need it to cut the wood frame from the door and closet, so I can put the laminate bars in. And this thing comes, it's supposed to be, it says 11 pieces, but it's actually no. The most of the pieces are the sandpaper itself. Here's the sander and the two blades. Show you. Here's the plate for the sandpaper. So here's one, and comes with two blades. There's a wood and metal blade, and one is just for the wood blade. Let me remove it. There it is. There's the wood one. Yes, both of them has a measurement on it on how deep you're cutting to the wood. And like I said, this is the sander part, and the rest of the accessories are probably 8 of them are all sandpaper black and sandpaper itself. So not much accessories actually, but I got this at Lowe's for 39 bucks. So it's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna try it on, cut something with it, and see what happens. It comes with an accessory bag, so this is a fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 7 sandpaper. Alright. Okay, before I start cutting, let me show you what's in here. This is the bag. There's the speed over here. Control the speed. Variable speed dial right here. On and off switch, and the clamp is a toolless tool, so you just push down, put the tool that you need right there, let go, and it's locked, and you can start using it. Alright, and to remove, just push it down, remove it. Okay, let's get started. The center part, like that. And install, push down. Yeah, wiggling. There you go. Let's plug it in. Plug it in. Let's try the faster speed. Now we clean up this side, but not the middle part. I slowed down the drill to 1 and it's working better. I changed it to 1. One's better. I switched to a wood blade now, so it cuts. Now it's a slow speed, now I got it to 6. Get to 6. Fast. Alright, the wood blade works really good. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.